This is the fastest and easiest way to learn creating UI design. So let's start with what is user interface. User interface refers to the space where interactions between humans and machines occur. This interaction can include visual elements like screens, pages, buttons, icons, as well as physical components such as keyboards, touchscreens, and the software behind them. After knowing what is UI design, let's know about some basic UI design principles. Consistency, hierarchy, simplicity, readability, user centricity. Let's explore some tools in which you can practice learning UI design in some of them are Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD. I'd suggest you to use Figma for the easy and convenient use. Let's dive in how to learn UI design. First, go to the sites like Mobin, Screenlane, etc. for design inspiration. Here you can get all the design inspirations of website and app. First, we will be copying the design screen from here in our Figma, and we will try to replicate the design as same as possible for the learning purpose. With the time and learning we can master in UI design with this. The fastest and easiest way to learn anything is by copying what experts are doing, and one can learn through hours of practice and iterations. Okay, so for the next one we will go to any website. Let's go to ClickUp, and we will be using the extensions to check the font sizes, spacing, alignments, colors to design same as the reference website for the learning purpose. Once you design the same copy of the original UI, you will get the confidence to create better and better. You will only get better in UI design by practicing and by doing on your own. You can join different design communities and get feedbacks of your work from there and learn at your own. And that's all for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.